Jen the Pack Mom, making your life as a pet parent just a bit easier. And today I'm talking about mixing dog food with chicken and brown rice. Why would you do this? Well, there are many, many reasons. Chicken is a really great way to get a high protein into your dog's diet, but it is a protein that's lean and not very fatty. And it's also usually easy to digest. Brown rice, on the other hand, as opposed to white rice, is more nutrient rich. The hull is still intact, it hasn't been taken off, and that's where all of the nutrients and vitamins and minerals lie. So it's nutritious, it's easy to digest, and there are several other reasons. So you may be joining the cooking for your dog revolution that's taking place across the country right now. So many people are jumping on board with cooking for their pets. Or you may just have a dog that has a really sensitive tummy, and maybe you're trying to back away from the really processed dog food and give him an easier to digest formula. Or you just may want to add a little bit of fresh food, something that you cooked off your stove, into your dog's bowl. So to do this safely, start off with a bit of your dog's dry food. So Abe, my 65-pound lab, usually gets 2 cups of food every day. So to start off, I'm still going to do about a half a cup of his dry food, or even a little bit more, and mix in a bit of brown rice and a bit of boiled, skinless, boneless chicken breast. That's going to be the leanest part of the chicken to feed your dog. Now, keep in mind, if you decide to start cooking for your dog 100% and having what you cook be their diet only and not having any dry or canned dog food, you're going to need to do a couple of additional steps. Always add oil to your dog's food. I have olive oil. I also use fish oil sometimes for my dogs, or coconut oil. But add oil that's good for their skin and coat and also aids in digestion. You're also going to want to use a multivitamin, and you may need to use a probiotic or digestive enzyme as well. But it's such a simple thing to do, and it's so healthy for your dog, so I encourage you to try doing it, even if just a little bit. So if you're interested in mixing your dog's food with chicken and brown rice, hopefully these tips were helpful for you. And I'm Jen, and thank you for watching.